Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got another subscription box to share with you and it's my second ever Lovelula box. This is what it looks like, that's how it arrives in the post. My address is on there. Lovelula is an award-winning organic and natural beauty box. You can buy one-off boxes for £19.95 or you can opt for a rolling monthly subscription which will cost you £14.95 and that includes shipping within the UK. They also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. They do ship internationally but they offer a 3 and 12 month subscription only. Additional costs will be calculated at checkout. So all links and everything related to the subscription, as always, I'll pop it down below in the description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. They have a huge online shop and there's an amazing Facebook group as well that I've joined, which I think is really interesting. I'll pop them down below as well if you're interested in taking a look for yourself. If you decide to subscribe to Lovelula box in March, your first box will be the April box and then you'll receive at the beginning of every month with everyone else. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I miss anything out, I'll pop it down below. But let's get on to open it up and see what I got inside. It is jam-packed. Right, okay. There's a little leaflet here telling you all about the Facebook page, which I'll put down below. It's got all the information related to the products inside the box, and it also says that the total value of this month's box comes to £75. Whoa. And on the back here, there's a code so that you can have 25% off all the brands in this box on their website. So what have we got? Oh my word, we got quite a few things, have we? Oh, exciting, exciting. So that's sneak peek. First item I picked up is by the brand Madara Skincare, organic skincare. And this is a purifying foam and soothing yarrow, and it's for all skin types. It says here, vegan, certified organic formula, no shady ingredients, ocean waste bottle, and 100% recyclable, and there's 100 mils in here. Rich soft foam from northern yarrow extract deeply and gently purifies the skin, removes makeup, regulates oily zones while soothing dry areas, leaving skin feeling refreshed and soft. That sounds lovely. So that's the first item in the box. Next we got something that looks really pretty. Is it foam from London? And it's an anti-pollution glow serum. And it says here, apply daily for a healthy, glowing, natural look, smooth over entire face. It's serum that transforms a dull-looking skin into hydrated, plump, healthy-looking skin glow. In addition, it helps refine pores and blemishes caused by effects of pollution. And this is 10 mils. There's a little bottle there. Let's try a bit on my hand, see if get some glow on my skin to show you. I love anything glowy. Oh my gosh, being of a certain age, it's what I look for now. Oh, smell. Oh, the smell is gorgeous. Like a lemongrass sort of smell. I just love it. Yeah, I tend to look for things that are going to like illuminate my face. I'm always applying glowy setting sprays. I'm loving this at the moment. Hold on, the lid just popped off, but oh, Pixie Glow Mist. That is amazing. Absolutely love it. But yeah, so I'm all for the glow. You can't really see much, but obviously, you know, the hand is a little bit different to the face. But let's see if I can... Is there anything here? Yeah, Foam London, that's what it's called. A serum that transforms a dull skin, and it's exactly what I read on the back of this. FoamLondonSkincare.com. So I'm going to have a look on their website to see if I can learn a little bit more about it. And it's a serum, but then do I apply it in place of the serum I normally use, or do I put it on just before I put a foundation on? Or do you know what I mean? I need to know a little bit, don't I? So we got a glow serum. Next we've got a Kathleen Sensual Rose Body and Massage Oil with pure rose, orange nutmeg and certified organic plant oils. Boosts your senses and stirs desire and gives a sense of passion. Whoa. This is 100 mils. Big claims there. Oh, that is nice. When I first saw rose, I was thinking, uh-oh. But no, it's like I can smell orange. So this is supposed to make me horny. Or my other half. Is that, is that just my mind, or have I read into that wrong? Boost your senses and stirs desires and give a sense of passion. Is that in their bedroom? Or is that for work? I'm being stupid now. Right, let's see if I can... Oh, there's more information on here. Add a few drops into wet skin after a bath or shower, then gently pat dry with a towel. Leave skin feeling smooth and hydrated. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skins. So it's indulge the mind and body. No, I like that. I really like that. And lastly, we got 2 items from the same brand. Pink Heaven. Oh, one's a shampoo and one's a conditioner. Heavenly Soothing Hair Goals by Biovine. Nourish Restore Solid Shampoo 40 grams. And we've got the conditioner here. Oh wow, I absolutely love the fact that you've got both of them, because we've been receiving shampoos in boxes, like dry shampoo bars in boxes, but it's always nice, isn't it, to receive one of each, a shampoo, if that's what you use. I use them because my hair needs a good conditioner, but I'm really, really chuffed with this. So it says here, it's got hashtag replace the bottle. So let's open it up and see what they look like and smell. So the shampoo bar then. I don't know what that smell is. Chocolate and coconut, maybe? I don't know. So we got a pink shampoo bar there. Got a white one for the conditioner. It's the same scent. See there? Looks nice. So, new to Lovelula, Biovine Zero Waste Shampoo and Conditioner Bars are packed with premium ingredients. Free from SLS palm oil or plastics. 1 bar can last as long as 1.5 bottles. Wow. I can't wait to give those a go. So there's those. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up. So we've got 5 products inside this month's Lovelula. Lovelula costs £14.95 and the value of these items all come to £75. We've got a glow serum here, we've got a facial cleanser, we've got shampoo and conditioner bars, and we've got a sensual body and massage oil. Again, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's the second box I've ever received, and yeah, I am definitely going to be sticking to this subscription, I think, just to see how the next couple of months go for sure. Really impressed last month and really impressed this month. There's good sizes as well, and yeah, just items I will use. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Have you received Lovelula? Are you subscribed to it? Or are you watching this thinking you're not sure whether you should subscribe to this box or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.